Welcome back to ARTis IVF. Today we will look at allocating investigations, procedures, and services for patients. Let's get started. We are currently on the journey section of patient's case file. Here, you'll find all appointments, investigations, procedures, services, and cycles allocated to the patient. Click on the Allocate button to proceed. This screen allows us to allocate investigations, procedures, and other services to the patient as required. Let's add an investigation. Type in the investigation name. Select the consultant doctor and choose the scheduled date. This can be today's date or a future date. Once you've entered the details, click on the Add button. Now, click on Save to confirm the allocation. Congratulations! You have successfully allocated an investigation to the patient's case file. You can now see the investigation added in the journey page. Thank you.